used to farm cows that spend most of the time indoors. Not anymore, because as a Waitrose farmer I have the choice to rear cows that are native to the land. So now my herd is entirely made up of local Highland cows. They're perfect for the high altitude of the Cumbrian hills. So these beauties get to spend all of their time grazing outdoors, meaning my cows are happier and healthier and have a natural and nutritionally balanced diet all year round. Good for their bodies and even better for the soil. But it's not just my cows that are happier, the local wildlife thrives too. But whatever the breed, you know if it's Waitrose, it comes from higher welfare farms like mine. Now that really is food to feel good about.